somebody coated this with a acrylic coating, and I'm going to show you why you should never do a coating, especially acrylic. In my opinion, it's just a paint peel. So I'm going to show you where it does this. Any way I want, I can take any situation and I'm going to show you. Okay, look at this. It shrinks and it bubbles up, and look at this. It's a big bubble here. See? Acrylic underneath this corner where it shrinks, it follows it all the way to this, and it starts coming into the joints here where the joints are. Let me show you. So if you clean this out, look, it's rusty. See the rust? Look, it's rusting the roof away here. This never will work. I grind away. All right. If you have a metal roof, this is probably what you're gonna have to do. Clean it. You can see the rust has rusted this edge away here. It's gonna rust through if you don't fix it. I like to fasten these two plates together so they don't move. You see that? See the movement there? So I fasten that with panhead screws over there. Put this fleece over there, just like that. So that's how simple it is to do a seam on a metal roof. Even if it's rust, you can save it. I just did this one, and here's a sample of an old one that I did a long time ago. Look how beautiful. You can see the seam never came up. It's never gonna come loose. It's tight. But yet it is pliable. It moves with the roof and panels. It will never go bad. I even put a patch there. There was a hole there, and look, it's beautiful. Because I've seen a thing or two. It's my wife. That's the one to do the camera work. It's her that makes these roof repair. Trust me, she brings the material up, brings the tools up, and she helps me. I have a wonderful wife. All of these videos is thanks to her. Thumbs up, please.